Hey guys, Amit here for Phone Radar, and we have the latest smartphone from OnePlus, the most hyped OnePlus Nord, which comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G, which is a 5G chipset. And here, let me just go to the About area and show you more about this smartphone. As you can see here, the variant which I have is a 12GB RAM variant with 256GB storage. So this is what we get. Now on this video, I'll be playing PUBG on this phone and will be sharing my experience about the same. Again, this is a kind of clean Android, that's the Oxygen OS. And let me first show you the current temperature. As you can see here, right now it's around 35 degrees on the front. Around the bottom, it's again 35 degrees. So that is something not bad, I would say. It's a standard temperature of this phone, so around 35 degrees. So let's start playing PUBG and show you a complete experience of PUBG on this smartphone. So guys, let me first go to the settings and let me go to the graphics. So as you can see, the game is right now in HD. There's no HDR or Ultra HD option, obviously. So here in HD, we have the option of high, and I'll be playing a game in HD high quality and check out the gaming experience. So let's go for a quick match and also try to get a chicken dinner, which I'm not sure I would get because I'm a very bad new PUBG player. But what's more important is just trying to play this game, and I'll be also playing a game again in different settings. So right now it's in HD. The next one would be in smooth, and that too in ultra, where I would be sharing my experience. So right now, again, as I mentioned earlier, this is in HD and high, and now I'll go for smooth ultra in the next video that would be shared in a different video, but that video will actually tell you if the phone gets heated up or not. Right now I'm just trying to waste your time because I'm also wasting my time on this estimated time, and I'm not sure these days PUBG takes a lot of time. But anyway, right now if you can look, the frames are at around 30 FPS, and it's continuously being reported here to us, and it just dropped to 10, which is kind of surprising, but then that should be fine. Let me just try to run for no reason. So here we go. Let me now increase the volume. Not that great, personally saying, in terms of the speaker output. It isn't that great. Again, there's a single firing speaker at the bottom, and there's no stereo speaker option. I mean, there's no sound coming from the top, though there's obviously earpiece, but no stereo speaker support. Let's jump. Right now it's hitting at 30, 29. Let me just quickly reach down because there are a few other guys who are coming here. And here we go. Okay, we at least got a gun. Now we are safe to play. That's one thing for sure. But we are kind of close to the end of this zone. So that is something I need to remember. Uh-oh. I don't know, I personally don't like playing games on these smaller displays, but just that I'm just playing this game for you guys to get an experience. As of now, there isn't any kind of frame drop, as you can see here. The experience is pretty smooth. Let's jump, and let me just go to the other side where there might be more players. Right now, as you can see, there isn't any kind of a frame drop. There is someone. Okay, there's another player now. That was a very bad death. I mean, this was the worst one, I would say. But anyway, we have been playing a game on this phone from last 5 minutes. Not much. There are not much of a frame drop, especially on this mode. But let me just quickly check the temperature right now. I missed checking the battery, but then for the next game I'll do that. This is at 39% right now. on the bottom around 34, 35, which isn't bad. I would say it's around 35, 39 around on the front. So around 5 to 6 minutes of playback, it has hit around 39 degrees, which isn't bad, I would say. But let me just change the graphics and share the experience of the same in the next video. So I'll just cut short this video here because I'll just have to change a few settings and restart the game. So this was a quick video on HD settings on high on the OnePlus Nord. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and stay subscribed. This is Amit and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.